Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. We are becoming like best friends with this window right here. My kids were at it again using their washable window markers. You can see all the haze around here. The camera's picking it up nicely. Oop, you see right in here, right in here. If you just try to wipe this away and clean it up, it's not gonna work. So you need something a little bit tougher to cut it. We got my son's stuff here as well. All right, here's one thing I bet you never thought of using on your windows. SOS Plaids. Yes, my friend, look at this right here. Bathroom, glass shower door, car windshield, refrigerator shelves. Let me show you how I love using these. By the way, I think these are super satisfying just because they get all sudsy and bubbly, but they actually do what it's supposed to do. Warm water, check. I like to use a glove for this for obvious reasons. Kind of looks like Dawn dish soap, doesn't it? All right, I love steel wool. This is great for removing hard water stains. I usually buy Quad Zero to use on shower door, but this works great as well. Now it's gonna get all nice and sudsy. If you like suds, this will be very, very exciting for you as much as it is for me. So I'm gonna get this all nice and cleaned up. The nice thing about this is it's not only gonna clean, it's gonna shine it up, and it's gonna remove all that residue on your window. So that's why it works great in a car windshield as well. Got some right here. You can also use this to clean the outside of your entire door or the inside if you wanted to, but I recently did that and did a previous video on it. So we're gonna get this nice and sudsy, and then we'll go over to the other side. Right here, getting that off. A little abrasive, doesn't damage the window. Nice and sudsy and soapy. All right, here's the last step. Just have myself a microfiber towel right here. We're gonna go ahead and just wipe this away. Squeaky clean, shiny. Now if you wanted to, you could definitely use this with some warm water and then go in and dry it up, but I just like to make my life easier. Less steps, the better. You can see right here, look at that. It like buffs it out completely. All right, I'm gonna finish this up and I will show you our end result. Just finish that up here, look at the window. All I used was the SOS pad and a microfiber towel. Now if you let the soap sit, it's gonna be a little bit harder to get it up. So my suggestion to you, if you do give this a whirl, is use a little bit of your SOS pad, a little goes a long way, and then go right in with your microfiber towel to clean everything up. Give this a whirl. Let me know in the comments box below if you've also tried this. By the way, that's gonna work amazing on that dirty furniture out there, which I will attack later today. Give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now to see some more clever ingenious cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.